I had two major concerns when I started thinking about getting my hair done. One was I didn't want to have a huge linear scar. My good friend has a linear scar across the back of his head, and it was from an older type of procedure, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't have to have that, myself. The other thing was really, I didn't want to have to deal with this, multiple times. So is this going to be a permanent solution was my other concern. And really that's the reason I came to Nashville Hair Doctor. They helped bridge the gap between what could be and what should be.
But as you can see, I have a little bit of recession in my hairline. So I would love to see this go away, and I'm excited to show you guys the progress.
Kevin Grass here, back 6 months later. Excited to talk to you about the news that Nashville Hair Doctor's given me about my hair and share the results. As you can see, it's pretty impressive. The thing that I'm really impressed by is my hairline here. You'll notice that it looks natural. A lot of times from what I've seen with other people is that you can see the line of where demarcation, where they've had something done, and so it's obvious. You can tell from the rear, it's very, again, natural looking. Super happy with the results. Guys, you can see I have really thick hair. I have coarse hair, but it's a lot now. It's nice to be able to run your fingers through your hair and feel the difference instead of that ball sensation I used to have out here on the sides and in the back. So I've actually been impressed trying to get the right haircut now that I actually have hair again. I would recommend it to anybody. They've taken care of me throughout the whole process. I come in every once in a while to go under their lamp, which helps out in hair growth, and will continue, by the way, to help with hair growth throughout your lifetime. So please consult with them, and I think you'll see a big difference in your life, your confidence, your job, and just overall the way you feel.